Here is how to download 200 free Duotone. To start with, you go to resourceboy.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And this is how we get to it. You click on, assuming that you open the resourceboy.com website, it takes you to this platform. Then you click on gradients. When you click on gradients, it takes you to the Photoshop gradients page, where you can scroll down and see a lot of free downloadable gradient maps, Duotone. But this time we're going for Duotone, so you click on the Duotone, then you see 200 Duotone. You scroll down, you click on free download. Immediately you click on free download, it starts downloading immediately. When you're done downloading, you click on what is downloaded, the resource folder zip file. You open it, you click on the resource boy folder, you double click on the gradient, then it opens in Photoshop. Automatically it opens to the gradient palette. You can see it on the gradient palette there. Then you scroll, but before we use it, you can see different gradient palettes there. That's the Duotone. Then you click on the gradient map on the layer palette. When it opens this, you click on the gradient itself. A dialog box opens up where you can select the type of gradients that you want. You scroll and you click on the Duotone folder that you downloaded recently. And you can select any one of us. You can try any one of them. You click, you scroll down and click. You click on this, click on the other one too. You choose whatever Duotone will be comfortable you would like to use for your work or your project. So I'm scrolling down. I think I would. Let me try that out. Let me try this very one out. I think I like this. And I'll click on OK. You can use this for the different kind of a project. This is the before, and this is the after. And this is how you download and use your Duotone.